Hey there everyone, it's Thomas Wood with ValueCharts.com. Let's go ahead and take a look at one of the trades, or a couple of the trades I should say, that we had in the futures trading room today in the S&P. And these are naked trading trades, meaning you could have taken them with just reading the price action, and I'll show you what that's all about and how that works. And what they were both micro trend line breaks. What a micro trend is you look at the longer term trend, overall direction of the market, and then you look at the short term, higher highs and higher lows. So the first trade was a short right here on this trend line break at about 21.08, 21.08 and a quarter. And that was selling because we had a micro uptrend. So we had a low and a high and then a higher high. So we put in a higher low and a higher high. Within the context of a larger down move, you draw a trend line going across the lows. Here's your break. That's where your entry is. It sold off from about 12.08 all the way down to a low of 21.02 and a half before going into forming another micro trend. And then you draw the trend line going across the lows, okay, and you wait for the trend line break to enter. There is your next trend line break right at about 21.04. Broke through 21.04, dropped down, bounced right back up, retested for a last kiss, which is another short opportunity, which would have been a short at about 21.04 and a half, and then continued on down, and we've just bottomed out here for a minute down around 20.96. So not a bad move. Three really good entries that you could have had in the S&P trading off of a 1,000 tick chart. And if you were in the trading room, we actually called out all three of these. The first break, the second break, and then the last kiss, all for potential entry short into the S&P, all of which worked out extremely well. So not a bad day today. If you're interested in learning about naked trading, make sure you go watch the naked trading webinar. There's a free one talking about this setup and how you identify and trade this setup. And you can find that on the Value Charts YouTube page. So that's all for today. And until next time, happy trading.